Hello, my name's Darren. I guess if you're watching this video, you're interested in this food processor. Anyway, it's made by JOYAMI, which I've seen a few of their products on Amazon, but I don't think I've purchased any yet besides this one. Anyway, I'll try to help you guys give you a better understanding about this. And this is my first time using it also, so it's going to be new to me also. But anyway, it comes with two bowls, glass one with the gears for your motor and your blades here, stainless one and a glass one. Comes with two blades. You want to probably be careful with taking these off, and I'm going to save them for just to help save the blade life on them. Not too worried about getting cut, but they are sharp. I did cut my fingers the other night. I'm going to take those out. This is a little motor here. It's pretty heavy. It seems pretty heavy duty, but I don't know. I haven't ran it yet. This is the lid. It fits both of them. And then you got these two rubber things, which I thought were seals. So I read the directions. They're not seals. They go underneath these poles to keep them from moving around. Like so. And then you got this little piece of Scotch Brite, which it's not for cleaning. It's what I can come up with is, since I'm a stainless steel worker, I work with stainless steel all the time. It's for cleaning this bowl and keeping it shiny, is what I think, because it's a real light grain. But if you do it, you want to make sure you go this way with it, so it goes with the grain of the bowl. If you start going that way, then it's going to look like it's scratched. So always just go this way with it, and then that'll keep your bowl shiny. It looks terrible if you go the wrong direction of the grain of the bowl. Okay, I've got a few things here to try. The directions, they tell you the do's and don'ts. They don't really give you any ideas on what foods to do and what kind of recipes and stuff. I went online and got a few ideas, but this is just some stuff I had in the fridge I'm going to try. So what I got is I had a couple of leftover pieces of chicken thighs that I cooked at dinner the other night, and this is leftovers. So what I'm going to try to do here is make like a chicken sandwich spread. Got a dill pickle chopped up, some Colby Jack cheese, and I got some mayonnaise back there. So the first thing I think I'm going to try to do is we'll put these blades in. It also says you're not supposed to run this for more than 15 seconds at a time. So that doesn't seem like a whole lot to me, but we'll see. Move this out of the way so you can see this better. And also on this motor, it has a slow and fast. So we're going to start with a slow and see what it does. Go there. And you can see there, I don't know if you can see it very well, but you got 2 bars and 1 bar. I'm guessing that this is slow and this is fast. Okay. Okay, that was right. Seems like it cut that right up. Let's go a little bit at the bottom of that. That looks pretty good to me. supposed to unplug this, but we're going to keep. For safety precautions. So you can see that cut it up pretty good. Now I'm going to throw these pickles in. That was a whole dill pickle. I just cut it up in pieces because I don't think it worked very well in the whole. I've never had a food processor. This is my first one. So, and this one is what I like about it. Seems to be pretty simple, and it's small, and it's in a good price range of right around $40-some. So there's a lot more expensive ones out there. I don't really look that much. It says also if you run it for 15 seconds, you should wait 2 minutes. Well, I think that's probably good for the machine itself, but I think 2 minutes is a little long. 1 minute, so it's probably efficient in my opinion. But I'm just going by the directions. Okay. Now I'm going to put this cheese in. Seems to be cutting it up real nice. Gotta make sure it's locked in. You can't tell by the motor when it smooths out, you know, it's pretty much done chopping. You can get an idea how it looks there. Now, we're going to take a little best foods here, throw in it. Seems to be pretty strong to me. It's a heavy little type for as small as it is. But I don't know a lot about food processors, but from what I've seen so far, I think this is a pretty good one. Yeah, that mayonnaise in there, it smoothed it out real nice, so I put on a sandwich. You know, you could probably stick some onions in there too. I didn't have any onion in the fridge. But I just want to do this little demo, so it might give you a little better understanding of how this works. Hopefully it helps some of you out there. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care.